GameStop will be releasing earnings after the bell on September 6th. It'll be the Q2 earnings. It'll be halfway through 2023. And of course, I think the top thing everyone's looking for is, are they going to turn a profit? To be honest with you, I'm not too sure. I kind of go back and forth. I think, well, maybe they're not having a conference call and they're just letting the numbers speak for themselves because the numbers are good and the bottom line is positive. But then at the same time, I also think last quarter I had a high expectation and it came in a little bit lower than I expected, but it was still improvement year over year. So really the main thing I'm looking for is improvement year over year for the same quarter in comparison to Q2 22. So I want to see improvement on top line revenue. I want to see lower SG&A, and I want to see cost of goods stay about the same. So I think that's possible by focusing on selling higher margin items. So in selling higher margin items, you can keep cost of sales the same. Holy shit, there's a bee on me. I thought I felt something crawling on me, but you can keep cost of sales the same. And if you can keep cost of sales about the same, you can raise revenue a little bit, and then you continue to cut costs in terms of SG&A. I think it's possible to turn a profit, but when you look at SG&A, I'm looking at it in terms of percentage of total sales. So for Q1 23, it was about 27.9, whereas Q2 22, it was about 33% of total sales. So I'd really like to see it again at around 27% of total sales for SG&A. And I also want to see SG&A, by the way, that means selling and general administrative costs. Generally speaking, it means their overhead costs. So I want to see those costs even lower than Q1. So Q1, it came in at about 345 million. I think it'd be nice to see maybe 330 million, something like that. And then if you look at Q2 22 and then Q2 21, both numbers were higher. So last quarter was the lowest SG&A has been for GameStop over the past 5 years. This bee is following me again, so we're on the go. But we're gonna see, right? We're gonna see. It all comes down to this, and that's totally throwing me off. I'm a little bit of a wimp. I'm scared of bees. It keeps following me around. But all in all, the DRS count will be interesting. Free cash flow, is it going to be positive? I would like to think so. I'd like to see it, or at least operations could be free cash flow positive. That would be great. But there's a lot to be determined, and I still think there's more time with the turnaround in actually getting to where they want to be in the long term. But hey, it's all part of the journey, right? And just like I almost got stung by a bee there twice, that's part of the journey. So, oh man, yeah, just, living day to day. I apologize I haven't made as many videos, and I still like the stock. And check out my live streams if you haven't been. Just been hanging out, throwing out my ideas on there. But I am going to come back with more videos soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.